welcome to this review for the Kona Rove. It's a cyclocross bike. So what do you get? So let's have a look at it. So the frame is an aluminium frame with aluminium forks. This one is 54 centimeters. You get on the forks you get bosses to hold bottle cages. It's a standard quick release. You get a big chunky headset stem. You get 2 bottle cages. You don't get any mudguard mounts on the frame here. You get hydroform stays. So that's the frame set. And it's quite basic, I have to say, the frame set, but you do get mudguard mounts on the back. Okay, the components. What do you get components wise? So you get component, sorry, you get aluminium Kona stem, aluminium bars that are really wide bars. You get Claris shifters. You get Claris. I just need to check this to make sure I'm giving you the right information. I can't read what it says. Give me a second. You get Hayes OX or DX cable operated discs. You get FSA chain set. You get Claris derailleurs. I think on this particular bike, I may want to wrestle with this, the saddle's been changed because I've got a feeling it would have been a standard Kona saddle. You get 8 gears at the front and 2 at the back, so 16 speed altogether. You get Kona plastic. You get Kona pedals. I don't know if they're plastic or not. Do you know? I think they are. Yeah. So component wise, you get the wheels as well. You get WTB Riddler tyres, which are amazing, and you get WTB wheels as well, which isn't a bad thing. Okay, so the build, let's have a look at the welds. Konas are really well made. Even beads all the way around. Checking the welds here. The welds at the back here. Really well made, have to say. Wheel slap bang in the centre with forks. Slightly off at the back. Okay, the look is stunning. Black and bronze sort of paintwork with the black wheels and the black tape. It's lovely, really lovely. Very good looking bike. Value for money. So my research says that these sold for between 600 and 650 when they first came out. That's a lot of money for an 8-speed aluminium frame bike, I think. However, if you can pick one of these up second hand, I think you might be doing yourself a favour, particularly if you're looking for a cyclocross bike. However, I don't know, is it worth that sort of money new? I think you're paying for Kona's name on it, and a lot of the parts are relatively mid-range or low end. Oh, that's a really tough one. 600 to 700 pound for a cyclocross bike with this spec. It's probably about right for a new one. For a used one, I don't know what the value on these are. It's so difficult. Cyclocross is such a difficult thing to price up, because I think it's really dependent on whether you actually want one. So value for money, new, I don't think it's good value for money. If you can get a second hand one, yeah, I think they are good value for money, depending on what you pay for it. Would I buy one? Oh, does it do... I don't know if it does anything that a mountain bike doesn't do. Would I buy one? Honestly, I don't think I'd use it. I think if I'm going off-road, I'm going off-road, and I'll take my mountain bike, and if I'm going on-road, I'll take my road bike. I don't know where this fits in. Anyway, thank you for watching this one-take bike review of this Kona Rove.